going great. We're glad you made it tonight.
Yeah, I almost passed out in the car on the way here though because it took me about 50 minutes to get to Land's End from Juhu.
That is Bombay traffic.
Yeah, exactly. This city is just it's out of control now, man. Which is why you guys should all go and watch Bhavesh Joshi.
We will, and I'm sure the people who are watching you on Facebook Live would do that too.
I hope so.
Yeah. Tell us about your ensemble today.
So I'm wearing a Burberry suit that I wanted to wear for a very long time. I'm wearing some sneakers and, people normally pair this with more formal things, but I kind of decided to do a t-shirt today. Roll up the sleeves and stuff like that and the black and the black. And, it's so weird because every time you're getting ready for like an event, there are these people there that help you with your hair and makeup and they're so scared, like everything has to be absolutely perfect, but it doesn't. And nobody should be, and you should just have fun with it and be comfortable. So, yeah.
Your style is impeccable. Who is your style?
It's hard to think of one name immediately, but I think my dad. He's extremely not only very well dressed but very well maintained. And to look like that at that age and be so well put together all the time is something I draw a lot of inspiration. I think I'm generally just not a very loud person in terms of the way that I dress. I kind of like to be a little more understated and stuff. So, but I don't think there are any do's or don'ts. If there were don'ts, then we would not have new trends. So.